I'm Stephen Dufour. I'm the Chief Security and Privacy Officer at Embold Health. Embold Health is a data analytics company. We measure physicians and nurses on the effectiveness and appropriateness of the care they provide. Security is nested within the Embold Health mission because we can't actually accomplish the mission without actually having security and privacy programs. Some of the challenges prior to KeepAware, you end up having security-related tools perform a particular function that you don't get final say on what the product actually does. For example, you might buy a tool that blocks a particular website, but that's the service they provide, is the automated blocking, but you don't get to go in and say, oh, this is an exception. So therefore that employee ends up frustrated, right? Like, why can't I use this tool? And it ends up costing a lot of time. If we're looking at web threats, one particular use case that I like is an email comes in. Let's just say you're using the Microsoft 365 stack. So Microsoft 365 has phishing and spam filters already, but it already came through it. So that particular control didn't work as expected. Users already been trained on phishing. They look at the email, nothing occurs to them that this is a phishing email. They click on it. You might have some type of web filtering tool, but again, the initial phishing filter didn't catch it. So whatever web filtering tool you use might not catch it either. So what do you do then? That's where the defense in depth. At each stage, you should have some type of control to help your end user. Because KeepAware allows for custom notification that you can change on the fly, it allows you to notify, reinforce, and micro-train employees in best practice, or at least get their attention. I was excited about the KeepAware product for multiple reasons. The customization of messaging, the automated implementation of some of the patterns. The opportunities are endless. A lot of people have trouble coming up with like a return on an investment for some of their tools. I look at it as an ongoing investment into our people. Sometimes phishing emails get through the spam filters, and sometimes our employees might be tired that day. Sometimes they need help in notification, like, hey, you probably shouldn't input data into this form. I like to think of it more as like a people solution, not solving a people problem, but just helping people succeed in whatever it is they're doing online.